Oh my gosh, super dark. Whoa! I am watching FGTV. Actually, I'm watching Funimation. That's the other channel. And it's Chase's birthday. Just see my teeth. Whoa!
Yeah, right, dude? Whoa, Chase, you're in 812th place. Birthday Big Mouth surprise. 1, 2, 3, go. What does your mouth feel like? Dry? Let's go get some water. Whoa, I have never seen this at a water fountain. That's awesome. Whoa! 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 What are we doing, dude? Laser tag? Whoa, jeez, man.
Look at that, the video. So bye. Leave comments, subscribe.